Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting adventure ahead as we delve into the fascinating world of Japan. If you're an American dreaming of exploring this enchanting country, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps on how to travel to Japan as an American. So, buckle up and let's embark on this amazing journey together. Before we can set foot in Japan, it's important to make sure we are fully prepared. The first step is to check our passports. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended departure date. If it's not, head over to the nearest passport office and get it renewed. Next, let's talk about visas. As an American citizen, you're in luck. You don't need a visa for short-term tourism in Japan. You'll be granted a 90-day visa-free stay upon arrival. Just remember to bring your return or onward ticket, as it may be required at immigration. Now that our documents are in order, let's move on to booking our flights. There are numerous airlines that operate flights from the United States to Japan, so be sure to compare prices and find the best deal that suits your budget. Pro tip: consider booking your flights well in advance to secure lower fares. Once you've sorted your flights, it's time to find the perfect accommodation. Japan offers a wide range of options, from traditional ryokans to modern hotels and cozy guest houses. Research the different areas of Japan and decide which one suits your interests and preferences. Remember to book your accommodations in advance to avoid any last-minute hassles. One of the highlights of traveling to Japan is immersing yourself in its rich culture. From vibrant festivals to serene temples, there's something for everyone. Let's start with etiquette. Japanese culture places a strong emphasis on respect and politeness. Learning a few basic phrases in Japanese and familiarizing yourself with local customs will go a long way in enhancing your experience. Next, let's talk about food. Japanese cuisine is renowned worldwide, and it's a delight for food lovers. Don't miss the chance to try authentic sushi, ramen, and tempura. Explore local markets, known as izakayas, and savor the flavors of Japan. And of course, be sure to sample some of Japan's famous green tea and indulge in delicious matcha desserts. Japan is home to a multitude of breathtaking destinations, and it can be challenging to decide where to go. Allow us to highlight a few must-see places. First on the list is Tokyo, the bustling capital, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with futuristic technology. Explore the vibrant neighborhoods, visit historic temples, and immerse yourself in the city's electrifying energy. Another destination you can't miss is Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan. Experience the magic of traditional tea ceremonies, stroll through enchanting bamboo forests, and marvel at the beauty of centuries-old temples and shrines. And let's not forget about Hiroshima, a city with a powerful history and a spirit of resilience. Pay your respects at the Peace Memorial Park and Museum, and witness the city's remarkable transformation into a beacon of peace. Now, let's address some important safety and travel tips. Japan is generally a safe country to travel to, but it's always wise to take precautions. Firstly, make sure to have travel insurance that covers medical expenses and trip cancellations. It will give you peace of mind throughout your journey. When it comes to transportation, Japan's public transportation system is highly efficient and reliable. Utilize the extensive network of trains and subways to explore different regions. Consider purchasing a Japan Rail Pass, which offers unlimited travel on junior trains and can save you money if you plan on visiting multiple cities. It's essential to stay connected during your trip. Before you depart, check with your mobile carrier to see if they offer international roaming or consider getting a pocket Wi-Fi device. Having internet access will help you navigate, translate, and stay in touch with loved ones back home. Japan is a treasure trove of unique and immersive experiences. Take advantage of them to make your trip truly unforgettable. Consider participating in a traditional tea ceremony, where you'll learn about the art of preparing and enjoying matcha tea while appreciating the tranquility of a Japanese tea house. Don't miss the opportunity to stay in a traditional ryokan, a Japanese-style inn. Experience sleeping on a futon, soaking in a soothing hot spring bath called an onsen, and enjoying a traditional multi-course meal known as kaiseki. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in Japanese hospitality and culture. As our journey through Japan comes to an end, we hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights on how to travel to Japan as an American. Remember to embrace the unique blend of ancient traditions and modern marvels that Japan offers. So, start planning your adventure, pack your bags with excitement, and get ready for an extraordinary experience in the land of the rising sun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, as we'll be sharing more travel tips and destination guides in the future. Safe travels, and see you in our next adventure.